So, hello everyone. Today I am sharing the most effective and simple skincare routine that will be make your skin glow and beautiful just like me. So, first of all, we gonna use face wash. Basically, it's a cleanser. So, let's start. So, take that much. You can use any face wash or cleanser. Just depend on you. It's your budget. So, as like that, you know. It's me. See, it's remove all my dirt in face and many things. Let me wash, then I will be back. And simply wash your face. See how much it's clear and you can see by yourself. And then use toner. So I'm gonna use this toner. Let me use. You can use cotton with toner, but I personally use with my hand. I'm too lazy to use that. I have actually cotton, but I don't use. So apply this like this, like this, like your face. You see my forehead, but I look good. So yeah, toner. Just make your skin flawless and remove all the dark spots which I have and you can't see even in my face. And then I wanna use sunscreen. Like this much, not too much, only little bit. Okay. I already used toner, so yeah. See. Just put it to your hair like that. All you need, and let it dry for. Then I'm gonna use moisturizer. Wait for that. See. Don't I look good? Like that. Now it's time to final step, and that will be a moisturizer. Moisturizer also too much important for fuck. I already never use too much moisturizer. Use little bit, but this time I put lots of in my hand. So I'm from poor family, not a rich family. So I gonna put it back and then use it. So wait for that. No, I fucked up. Wait for that. Yeah. Now use only that much, not too much, like little bit. And we already used toner and other things, so now it's finally. And you can see my skin is already shining and it looks so good. See, let me my hair and let me show you this. Do this look good? And comment alive. Basically guys, this is my first video, so don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for make me better, and comment down what type of sunscreen and what you use. So see you in next video.